favorite features of social media today is the memories that come through, whether it's Facebook or Snapchat. That's why it's so painful when friends and family of mine lose their accounts because they've been hacked. This can easily be avoided by turning on MFA. I'm Mark Veldoff, Envizion IT, and this is part 1 of our 12-part series on security. MFA is one of the most important tools to protect your accounts from being hacked. MFA, multi-factor authentication, or 2FA, two-factor authentication, they're the same thing, are used as a second method to authenticating to your online accounts in case of a password breach. Yes, it can be annoying at times to have to enter that code in, but if somebody does crack your password, they cannot get to your phone or your secondary device to actually log into your account. You might be wondering, well, how easy is it for somebody to get my password? Well, there's 2 main ways that your password is compromised. First, there's a data breach at an organization that has your password stored. That might be Facebook, LinkedIn, Target, Walmart. We don't know where they're all coming from. We don't know all the breaches that happen, but they happen. And those passwords get leaked out onto the dark web to be purchased by some bad actor. Second, they can brute force your password. What does that mean? That means they use a program to start trying different passwords until they figure it out. Well, how long does that take? Not long at all. Sometimes instantaneous. Click on this link above to see a video on brute force password attacks. Now that you know how easy it is for your password to be compromised, hopefully you understand why it's important for MFA to be turned on all of your accounts. You need to make sure that you take the time to understand your critical accounts that are on the internet. This could be your social media, banking accounts, work accounts, financial advisory accounts. Think through the whole list of everything that you log into and find out if they have the ability to turn on MFA. In our next video, we're going to explain why it's important to update the firmware on your printer. Yes, your printer is a vulnerability. I'm Mark Veldoff, and I hope you're enjoying this series on security. If you have any questions or concerns, please reach out to us here at Envizion. Our number is 616-741-1144.